Okay, so I'm hoping that you guys were able to get 4. So here's problem 4n. I'm hearing a lot. Wait, what? Okay. Yes, sir. If you change f of x to y, and I do that when I solve it, you have to change it back because it's like saying, all right, I'll call you Nathan now, but I'm going to call you Peanut for a little while, and then later I'm going to be talking to somebody and I'm going to refer to you as Peanut. I got to go back. Okay? We all right on those? We did 4 together, I think. Did you guys get number 7 done? Let's take a look at 7. Switching your x and y gave me that. And since I'm solving for something that's on the inside of a log, what's the opposite of that? E. So you could have either thought about this as saying, I'm going to take e to both of those, or you can think about it as rewriting it, because this is log base e. You can think about what we just did was say e to the x equals 6y plus 2. Crystal. You have the choice of either leaving it like that or saying 1/6 e to the x minus 1/3. You just have to understand that the 6 might simplify with the 2, but it does not simplify with the e. Nathan. You could do ex over 6. That's fine. Okay. Are we all right on those? Okay, 6 to me, that guy is the trickiest one. Well, we know what the first step is. What's the first step? Switch the x and y. So that means I will have x is y plus 6 over y plus 3. There's a couple problems that this brings with it. My first issue is I have 2 y's. My second issue, one of those y's is in the denominator. So let's start by getting the y out of the denominator. Okay? So to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by the y plus 3. That means I will have, when I distribute, what will I have on the left? And on the right? Yeah, there are a couple of different ways that we can do this. I just want everybody to be on the same page first. So you all right on that? Did you say no? Okay. We want to get what for my next step? What should my goal be? Get y by itself. So I'm going to move, and it's really your choice. I don't know. I'm going to move y this way. I'm going to subtract y to get it over here. I'm going to subtract 3x to kind of move that over there. So I will have yx minus y is equal to 6 minus 3x. Remember doing something kind of like that? Now what? Yeah, get the y on its own over here. So I'm going to have y times x minus 1 is 6 minus 3x. So my y, which is actually the inverse, is going to be what? Very similar to what we did when we were doing inverses for exponents and logs. We had to do stuff like that. Okay. How are we feeling with that? Okay. It's going to take practice. So what we're going to do now, I am going to give you guys a classwork. You're not going to finish it during this class. That's okay. You're going to finish it during Flex. Okay? So I'm going to give it to you now. You will finish it during Flex. All right? Then you will finish it some other time. Your quiz will be done during Flex. Then you will have to finish it and turn it into me. Turn it into me. Mm-hmm. And your homework is going to be a half sheet. Okay?